Here I've got HTC Desire 19 Plus, and let me show you how to change the date and time on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select System, and here just click on Date and Time. And now you can either use automatic date and time, or you can switch it off by tapping on the switcher, and now you can set the date and time manually by yourself. So from now on it's up to you what date and time it currently is. Then you can also use automatic time zone, or you can turn it off by tapping on this switcher, and now you can select the region. As you can see, the list is pretty wide, so everyone will find something suitable, and then the time zone if available. And also you can change the format of your clock, so you can either use 24-hour format clock, or you can switch it off and have 12-hour format clock. If you would like to automatically switch to travel clock while away from home, leave this icon on, and if not, just turn it off by tapping on the switcher. So that would be all. This is how you can set date and time in your device in your Desire 19 Plus. Then if you'd like to go back to automatic setup, just tap on all those switchers to go back to automatic date and time. So this is it. This is how you can change date and time in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.